Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I have a really short video for you guys. I wanted to share some Christmas cards that I got in the mail from some of my lovely friends. Thank you all so much for sending these to me. They warmed my heart for you to even think of me and send this to me. So the first one is from my friend Renee. I just got it in the mail today. Look at how cute and beautiful this card is. So cute. Look at the dimension. Renee, you did not have to send this to me, girl. You are so sweet. I'm going to tag everyone down below and put their channel. Make sure you guys go show them some crafty love and make sure you're following them. Renee actually runs a YouTube channel. I'm so proud of her. And she does awesome hauls and project shares and all that good stuff. So make sure you guys check her out. Look at this beautiful snowman that she paper piece. She's got this beautiful glossy paper. And she's got a little candy cane in the snow girl's hand. Look at her bow. She got some flowers. She put some tulle, which is my favorite little accent. And then she's got this beautiful snowflake here, this paper. And look at this gold foil paper. Renee, I need some of that gold foil paper, girl. Let me know where you got that. And she sent some little stickers. She said, warmest Christmas wishes to you and your family. May your season be joyful and blessed. Love you, girl. Renee, I love you so much. She's so sweet, guys. Crafty Renee Creates. And she sent me these adorable little stickers. Look at how cute. I'm loving Mrs. Claus. She's adorable. She's that girl. And then some cute little sentiments. Christmas cheer, ho ho ho, and December 25th. Renee, thank you so much. I need to start doing stuff like this, just sending a simple little card, because I really get hung up sometimes on details when it comes to Happy Mail, and that's probably one of the reasons why I do not enjoy to do it anymore. Okay, the next card is from Scrap Diva. Thank you so much, Erica. She actually sent me this beautiful bow theme card. And sending you some Christmas cheer. Merry Christmas from Erica. Wishing you a bright and simply gorgeous Christmas. And then she sent me a gift card. Thank you so much for that. I got a little Michael's gift card. So I will be using that soon. Next, I got a beautiful card from my friend Dina. Guys, Dina has been on my mind. I did message her on Instagram. And so I was so happy to get this in the mail because she's really been on my heart and on my mind. I'm not going to open this card up because she did write some personal things for me. And Dina, I just wanted to tell you thank you so much for thinking of me. She also sent me a check for to buy some crafty things. Thank you so much, Mama. You're so sweet. But Dina, I just want you to know that I'm praying for you and I love you. And I did send you a message on Instagram. So hopefully if you see this video, you can go and read it. And you are in my thoughts, girl. Look at how beautiful. She's so sweet, guys. Dina she changed her name. I have to find her name because she changed her name to, like, it used to be Disney. I'm going to find it and I'm going to tag her down below. Make sure you guys check out her channel. I'm not sure if she's been uploading things as of late, but definitely give her a follow because she has some awesome content on her channel. She's very inspirational. You'll find a lot of inspiration from her. Okay, so thank you so much. Look at how beautiful. His birth was a miracle, his love is our gift. And then it's got the major with the, what is it, the Kingsman. So cute. Okay, and then last but definitely not least, I got a card from my friend Heather. Look at how beautiful. Heather, she be showing out with her card making skills, guys. Look at this amazing card. Look at this. She's got the acetate that she embossed, and she put some little sparkles on here. I'm not sure if they're like pearls or if they're like nouveaux, but look at how beautiful the details, guys. This is a handmade card, and it is gorgeous. It looks like something store-bought. And she said, Merry Christmas, love you, crafty girl Heather. I'm trying to get Heather to start a YouTube channel, guys. Make sure you guys run to her channel and leave her a comment and say, start that channel for 2026. So those are my beautiful Christmas cards. Thank you so much, ladies. You guys really made me feel so special this holiday. I appreciate you guys. So beautiful. That's it for this video. I just wanted to give them a quick little shout out and to share these beautiful cards. I could not keep them to myself. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.